If you ever had a severe roof leak, there's a good chance flashing was part of the problem. Flashing is one of the most important and most overlooked components of a roof system. Homeowners usually don't notice it because it's not meant to stand out, but when flashing fails or is installed incorrectly, water finds its way inside fast. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today, I'll explain what flashing is, where it's installed, and why it plays such a critical role in protecting your roof. Let's get into it. What is flashing? Flashing is a thin metal material installed in areas where water is most likely to enter a roof. Its job is to redirect water away from seams, joints, and transitions where shingles butt up against something. Flashing works alongside shingles, underlayment, and other roofing components to keep water out of your home. Shingles shed water, but flashing protects areas that shingles can't fully seal. Why is flashing so important? Flashing protects the most vulnerable parts of your roof. It helps prevent leaks around your roof penetrations, closes gaps in walls, chimneys, and other areas, keeps water from reaching the roof decking. Improperly installed or damaged flashing is one of the most common causes of roof leaks. Where is flashing installed on a roof? Flashing is installed anywhere the roof changes direction or meets another surface, including around chimneys, along roof-to-wall intersections, around skylights, along edges and transition. These are the areas where water naturally wants to slow down, pool, or push inward. What are the common types of roof flashing? Flashing is the general term, but these are the multiple types, such as step flashing, counter flashing, apron flashing, valley flashing, drip edge flashing. The type used depends on many factors, such as counter flashing on brick and step flashing on siding, but they all share the same purpose: controlling water flow and preventing water intrusion in vulnerable areas. What happens if flashing is missing or installed incorrectly? When flashing isn't done right, homeowners may experience interior leaks, rotting roof decking, mold or moisture damage, premature roof failure. These problems may not show up immediately, which is why flashing issues can be so costly if they go unnoticed. Is flashing replaced during a roof replacement? Flashing should always be inspected during a roof replacement. Old or damaged flashing should be replaced. Reusing failing flashing to save money often leads to leaks later. A properly installed roof system depends on both quality materials and correct installation details. So if the flashing is damaged or too old, it should be replaced during a roof replacement. Summary of key points. Flashing is a metal component that directs water away from vulnerable areas. It's installed around penetrations, transitions, and roof edges. Proper flashing prevents leaks and structural damage. Installation quality matters just as much as the material itself. Understanding what flashing is helps you know where roof leaks usually start and why proper installation is essential to protecting your home. If you want to learn more about roofing components and what goes into properly installed roof system, watch our next video about roof penetrations. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.